Sandeep, let's talk about hockey now. And India again had a relatively, shall we say, up and down ride during these Olympics. We had some good matches, including the one against Argentina, before eventually getting knocked out by Belgium. So, eventual finalists. What are your quick thoughts on the Indian hockey team?
Not much. I mean, in the sense that I'm really not happy with what they actually dished out. I think there were matches like the one against Holland, against Germany, where they played to potential. When I say potential, they played to almost 65 to 70% without too many errors which they normally commit in the midfield.
Right.
I think there were a few questions that came before the Olympics. Number one, I completely agree with the changing in the captaincy that came, though a lot of people felt that, it's going to probably distort the way a few players think in the team, because
Right.
you normally have groups, which happens in every team. But beyond that, I didn't agree with one thing, which I really didn't agree, was taking Sardar and making him play centre forward. My point was that if Altmans is saying that he is slow in the midfield, that he's not able to come back and help out the defense, then take the ball and then go to the 25 of the opposing team. Because you know in a hockey match how fast movements are happening. So if he was slow for that, how can he be fast for a forward? Where a forward also has to pick up, has to race into the circle, because you don't have time against these top teams anymore.
Right.
So the point was, then drop him. But then don't make him a passenger. I think what happened is that Sardar probably is under a cloud. The captaincy, of course, he's going to feel about it. Though as a player, I think he will raise his levels. But as a centre forward, I thought that position was completely wrong. Completely wrong.
And you could see that in most of the matches where we were attacking from the flanks and not from the centre forward position at all. That's
He was picking up balls on the flank and going in. There were a couple of occasions where his deflections were coming in handy. There were a couple of occasions where he was picking the ball from the midfield and moving in and doing a decent job. But a decent job is not what Sardar needs to do. He needs to do an outstanding job. And I think taking him away from there and giving Manpreet that position was a wrong move just before the games.
Right.
Yeah, the big call that the federation now needs to take is that
Coaching?
yeah, it's a big ask. You have Altmans who probably is now, I think he's juiced out. Okay, as a coach,
As a coach and an administrator, he's got both.
he has too much pressure on him. Understand that in '96 he won a gold for Holland as a coach in the Olympics. In '98 in Utrecht he won a gold for Holland as a coach in the World Championships. There's a long time that has passed. I think a coach has a shelf life. And I think this is probably the best that he can do under the pressures that Indian hockey operates in. I don't know who they're going to bring in. There are not many people who are very happy to come to India and become coach, since the administration has a much bigger say than the coach, which is normally the opposite of what happens in countries like Belgium. But what I'm afraid of is that first you used to have Holland, you used to have Germany, you used to have Spain and Australia. Now you have Argentina and Belgium who are not on top of us. So we have come back. There is no doubt about that. Don't ever think that we beat Argentina in the pool game and Argentina has become the Olympic champion. So we are, we are
Comparable.
also Olympic champion. No, it doesn't work like that. They had an off day and they have bounced back to win the gold, which shows the resilience. We couldn't bounce back against Belgium. That is probably one of the worst matches I have seen India play.
Talking about Argentina and not India for a change, the Argentinian coach is an interesting guy. He's coached the women's Argentinian team for a while now with great success and switched over to the men's game, and obviously that's worked. So, tell me a bit about him and what he really brings to that team.
I think what he brings is a huge passion, standing on the sideline. With all due respect to Altmans or to any coach, it's not that if he stands there and screams and shouts and is very emotional, you make a good coach. But he is a good coach. There's no doubt about that. He was a tremendous player for Argentina. I've seen him in probably the 92 or 94 World Cup in Sydney, where he once scored with almost 12 seconds left on the clock. That's all I remember of him as a player, because he was like that. But what he has brought in is a coach's viewpoint that in the end, the team selections and everything is done by him. He doesn't leave anything to the federation. The federation gives them the tickets. The federation gives them the hotel, and he takes and goes and takes the team, and that's where his entire strategy, his entire tactical, acumen, that all comes together there. he is massively passionate when it comes to bonding. I think that's where Argentina really works, whether it is in the women's side or whether it is in the men's. 2014, he was coach for both the teams, men and women. I don't know how he did it. You know, it's crazy because in the interview he said, I handle the women and I handle the men. So, you know, I don't know how he does that, because handling a women's team is bizarre, you know, the kind of problems they have. And that's the reason why a lot of times you have a lot of women managers, yet Argentina has a man manager plus a man coach, you know. I don't know how he does it. But we need somebody like him. I'm not saying Carlos is going to come to India. I think he knows enough about Indian hockey not to come here. But you need somebody like him who goes out there, who's with the boys, who understands what's happening. Then that's the reason why Germany also has done well, because, you know, they change coaches and they're getting somewhere who will now be there for 6 years. Altmans has been there, I'm not denying that. But I do believe that if you really now need to look at Tokyo, apart from Sardar and probably a couple of more players, this is a very solid team you have. You can take this team and go and reach a medal point in 2020. But you need a coach now. Altmans has finished his tenure. I think you need somebody younger, somebody who comes in with fresh ideas, and the hockey team will do well.